Hi everyone, so my design is a new UI interface for collecting or adding a new song to the existing list. Basically a UI for music app like Spotify or QQ Music. So to begin with, we have this main interface, including a search bar, and what's different here is that we have um, the collection on the top half of the screen and the song that's going to be searched at the bottom half. Um, Regarding searching, like we click a song, then we can see this is a list of music that's related. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can scroll down. Then we have more song here to be able to try out. What's new regarding this design is that we have a top half of the searching UI, including a separated categorical list that we created before. So in the top, we have things like mood, which basically categorize different moods. We have different lists under the category mood, like a happy list, a sad list. Regarding activity, we have like this one will be exercise, this one will be driving, and we can scroll down under each category to see more within that category. We can also scroll down the categories. Now we have more categories like month, location. So within month, we have different months like October of 2026, September of 2026. Each of them will be a separate list. Regarding location, we can have song that we heard in China, we heard in USA. If we keep scrolling down, we can have even more category like singer 1, 2, 3, and collections that can be album or like music collection done by other users in this app. So basically helping us to understand all the things that we have. Essentially, the idea of this UI is to allow the user to better categorize their songs, because normally we have this little heart button next to a new song. When we click the heart, it will automatically add a song to a certain like album or like just main album. Then as time goes on, we'll have like a extremely long album that's really hard to search, maybe thousands of musics. So the main idea of this UI is to always keep you aware of adding the song to a specific location instead of just a very general one. So all the categories here can be created by the user or generated or like automatically categorized by the app. But essentially all these albums are not categories are just aiming for helping the users to better categorize the song. So for instance, we have the month one here. Basically the user can add the song that they heard from each month to the specific month list. You can create more like November 26th, maybe in the next month. So after doing that, you'll know which song you heard at what time, making things much easier. So now we come back to how we add the song to the list. So here we go back to the main menu. Like we used to have, we have the new song at the bottom and the heart icon next to it. One more feature to share is that similar to all the existed music app, you click the music, you can expand it, and being able to see like details like the song, the lyrics, and the singer. Yeah, just for a better user experience, you can close it by clicking here, making you going back to the main menu. So regarding adding the song, it's actually very straightforward. So by clicking and press this button, you'll be able to expand the heart. So now you have a larger heart that is movable. Like you can basically just move it on your screen, and you move it towards the list that you want to add. So like maybe now I want to add this song to an sad album, so or like a happy album. I move it up here, Great. Now it will be added to the happy album. And at the moment I can if I like just want to add it here, I first move it here, then I raise my finger and it will be automatically added. After that, to confirm or like give the user a better feedback, will show like will automatically go into the happy list. And now we see the new song is added here, and all the existing song within this collection will be listed here. Yeah, easily we can also add it to the sad album if you want, or like driving or like exercising, basically helping you to be as flexible as possible. So the main idea of this design is that we don't want to make the user to really adapt to a new, completely different new UI. Instead, we keep the original design, like having a heart here at the bottom. The only thing that the user needs to change or to do is to just long press it and being able to drag the heart wherever they want. So being both like creative, innovative, but also easy to adapt. So that's the core idea behind the design. And thank you for watching.